Welcome to FAD Tutorial. Let's make this mechanical part design in SolidWorks. We are in SolidWorks now. Go to the file, new part. Okay. So go to the front plane, sketch, draw a line like this. Okay. Go to the smart dimension. This dimension is 15. This dimension is 65. This dimension is 30. And this dimension is 8. This dimension is 10. Okay. And the distance from here to here is 90. Now sketch is fully defined. Go to the feature, extrude base, go to the mid plane, and the dimension is 50. Okay. Then select this plane, sketch, go to the line like this. Okay. Go to the smart dimension. The distance from here to here is 15 and this distance is 20. Okay, and the distance from here to the top is 15. Okay, go to the feature, extrude cut, blend through all. Okay, then select the front plane again, sketch, draw a line like this. Okay, go to the smart dimension and this dimension is 32 and close. Go to the view mode and make it into wire. Select this portion and this one, select both and make it coincident. Okay, go to the feature, extrude base, and it should be 10 and go to the mid plane. Okay, and change into the solid view. Then select the top plane, sketch, go to the circle, draw a circle, go to the smart dimension and this is 20. The distance from here to here is 20. Okay, go to the feature, extrude cut, line to through all. Okay, go to the fillet, select all, make it all, and this is 0.5 and okay. So our sketch is ready. Go to the appearances, and I will select the metal, steel, and apply it like this, full body. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial. Please support this channel. You will get a lot from this channel. Thank you for watching.